Lesson number 2. Type superb ready in the chat if you're ready for it. Okay, before going into lesson number 2, are you ready for a magic? Yes, are you ready for a magic? Type magic ready. Type magic ready. MR. Type it in the chat. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so the magic is this. Put your hands on your heart and start rubbing it. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Rub it. It's not enough. Just rub it, rub it, rub it. Put your hands on your heart and rub it. Whew. You've called the genie, yeah? Okay, the genie is asking you, what do you want? What is your one wish that you want for 2021? Type it in the chat. What is that one wish you want for 2021? Okay, it can be anything, but please ensure that the wish is specific. Don't just tell, I want to be happy, I want to be successful. You know, what form of happiness? What form of successful? Do you want temporary happiness or permanent happiness? No. If I have to say that I want to be happy, then I will be getting a movie ticket from the genie. Yeah, go watch the movie, be happy. That's not enough for me. For 2021, what is that you want? Okay, be very, yeah, Muthuselvam sir, be very specific. What according to you is healthy? What according to you is success? So permanent happiness, how do you think you can be permanently happy? Like there is somebody who has told, I want to clear UGC net this year. Very brilliant. That is a specific ask. Wonderful. And peaceful. How do you say, when do you say you are peaceful? When do you say you are healthy? For example, if I'm talking about health, I can tell that I want to be, I want to be fit to the extent that I can run at least for half an hour non-stop, and I can also fit on to any clothes in medium size. Okay. So if I can talk so specifically, then the genie will understand about healthy. Okay, Nitin says that I want to educate and help 1 lakh unemployed people to start their earning. Wonderful, Nitin. Nitin, I am there with your journey. If you want to conduct any career guidance program for these 1 lakh people to help them, we are doing it free of cost from HAS Academy. I will be very happy to do it for you. And Muthuselvam sir has told, develop my English and Hindi communication fluently. Beautiful. You have already joined our course. So that is going to automatically happen. Okay, Dr. Vanaja Vaidyanathan has said that she wants to, have BNB and MOU for eye donation. Beautiful thought. Yes, definitely eye donation is something which is the need for the art. And you also need to become more specific on telling how many eyes you want to get donated through that MOU signing, and how many institutes you want to sign the MOU for. So if you are also giving that number to the genie, it will become more easy for your dream to come accomplished. So if you are signing with one university and one donation is not, it's not enough. So you can actually specify that number also. And yes, Nitin, we are doing it free of cost. The career guidance program, we have actually put the program in the YouTube channel also. It is free of cost. We also go and do it free of cost for them. Okay, so wonderful, wonderful. So this is like, when you are going to share your one wish specifically, it is going to start at least getting into that awareness of first, how you can go about it. First, what is it? Then how you can go about it. Then what action you can take, and review your action and start, proceeding in it. So that's how it is going to happen. Okay. Okay, now that you all have a wish for yourself, are you all ready to take up 4 steps 4 steps to help you achieve that wish. Yes, are you all ready? So here, now that you're going to have series of opportunities to manifest your goal. This is a first opportunity. Now I have a guaranteed solution for whatever wish you have put in your chat. I have a and people who are viewing this, who will be viewing this also, if you're putting it in your notebook, for manifesting that wish, I have a solution, guaranteed solution. Okay. Now type yes if you want to take it up, type wait if you want to take it up next time, and type no if you're not ready to take up. Now there is going to be a series of opportunities. It is going to be one way. Okay. Now when you say yes, you can actually opt to wait and no if you want next time. But if you say wait, you cannot go back to yes. Okay. Example for a question that I'm asking. Now this is a solution. Are you telling yes, wait or no? If you have typed yes, then you can actually, for the next opportunity, you can go to wait or no. But if you have typed wait or no for any of the opportunity, you cannot go back to the yes. Okay. You need to either, you can only go forward, you cannot go back. So going to opportunity number 2. Now this guaranteed solution that I'm giving, okay, you will need to invest at least 12 hours of your time every day to make it happen. Are you ready for that? So you type 2 and your answer. Okay. Are you ready to invest 12 hours into it? Type 2. Yeah, Sendil Kumranji, if you have given wait, you cannot go back to yes ever. After when I'm telling the third opportunity, you will only stay here. Okay. So 2 and type your answer. Type your answer as yes, wait or no. Are you ready to put 12 hours? If you're ready to put 12 hours every day for your dream to come and true, then you put yes. If you say that, no, I will take up next time, little bit later I will do, then you will put wait. And if you are not ready to take up, you are not ready to put 12 hours and all every day at all in your life, then you will put no. Okay. Beautiful. So going to the next opportunity. Now this guaranteed solution of happiness and success will cost your energy also along with the 12 hours of time. So you need to put energy also, not just sitting for 12 hours. It needs to put your involvement and energy also. Are you ready for that? You will type 3 and the answer. Okay, many of you are into yes. Again, yes. Okay. There are some of you. Okay, yes, superb, ready. Wonderful. Sendhu Kumarji, if you have put wait there, you cannot put yes now. Okay, then you also need to change that option as yes. Okay, so wonderful. So if that is also yes, then this will come as yes. Beautiful. Now going to the last opportunity. Guys, this guaranteed solution of happiness and success will cost you thousands or lakhs of investment. Are you ready? Are you ready to invest that kind of money for making your dream wishes come true? If it is yes, then you will put 4 and yes. If you want to take it up next time, little bit later, then you will put wait. And if you are not ready to invest any money into it, then you will put no. Okay. Now these are all recorded. Guys, these are all recorded. So there are a couple of you telling yes, couple of you telling wait. Okay. Wonderful. And many of you telling yes. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. The wait is over. Okay. The wait is over. Guys, this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. The genie is back. And The answer is, for all the people who have put yes, your wish is going to be absolutely coming true. No doubt about it. If you have put yes for all the 4 options, your wish is granted. If you have put wait or no for any of the options, then you are going to wait, or it is not going to happen at all in your life. There is no possibility for you unless you make your mind to shift it to a yes. All right. So the truth is this: put your hands on your heart and tell, I am the genie of my life. Tell it with 100% energy. I am the genie of my life. All right, guys, if you are ready to invest your time, money, and energy, it is going to be time, money, and energy. Most of you will think why I should invest money. If you want to get back money, you need to invest money. You cannot get back something which you have not given. Okay, it will even come in 10 or 100 folds time more, but you need to give for it. This is the greatest learning that I've had in last year. So last 2 years alone, I've been investing lakhs on me, and every penny I've invested on me has given me a raise in confidence, a raise in my, the way I deliver, and a raise in, and it's also coming back in multifolds. Okay, with respect to contribution, fulfillment, satisfaction, happiness, money, wealth, everything. So this is what I need to tell to all of you. I'm going to be putting a small video for you. Okay, so all right, so just a small video I'm going to be playing for you, and this will make you realize even more wonderfully the importance of actually being okay. Are you feeling anxious about the future after this lockdown period? Do you want to use this lockdown period more productively? This video I'm going to be sharing about how you can remove your anxiety and use this lockdown period more productive for you. I'm going to be telling you a story of 2 fishes. This is the life of 2 fishes living in a tank. They live their life so happy, contented, and comfortable in the tank. And whatever food they got in the tank, they just ate and then operated within the tank limits. Now here is what happened one day. These 2 fishes were left into an ocean. They were perplexed as to the atmosphere of the ocean, which was very new to them. Here is 2 choices for them. One, they can just go ahead and explore the ocean, or 2, still think about their life in the tank and keep operating within that limits. This is what fish number 1 did. The fish number 1 made up its mind to go forward and explore the ocean. It thought that it never got hurt, so it moved little more further. And one day it was just having the complete ocean of opportunities explored and living a happy and successful life in this ocean. Whereas in the case of fish number 2, it was still not having the courage to explore the ocean. It was just operating within the limit of the tank. And what really happened was, when it could not move further, it just had to survive within this tank limit in the ocean.
It did not get the food it was requiring. It did not get the opportunities that it had, or it could not survive very long, and it had to die there. Now, here is a question for you. Do you want to live like the fish number 1 or fish number 2? Obviously, you all wanted to be like the fish number 1, right? Now, here is what.
So just you can type your answers in the chat. You want to be like fish number 1 or fish number 2?
What you can do during this lockdown period. You have two choices. One, to explore the ocean of opportunities that is available before you, apart from the limited opportunities that you were operating in your earlier life. Or two, you can still think about the limits that you are currently facing and still operate within your comfort zone. So I'm going to be telling you the 3 steps that you can take up to live your life like fish number 1. The first step is you need to find your gaps. The gap that is currently not letting you operate in your full potential. Once you identify those gaps, get into the solution mentality or finding the right solutions to reach the people or to produce your service or ensure that your life is getting more productive. Once you started finding your solutions, the third step is the most important step of taking action. Take action, move little further, and finally what will happen is the ocean of opportunities that you never even imagined about will be open to you. I'm Dr. Purni. I'm a happiness and success coach, and I've been doing a lot of face-to-face live programs for schools, colleges, and corporates. But after this lockdown period, I really thought that that industry is currently going to be obsolete for some time till this lockdown period is going to get over. Now, I had 2 choices, thinking like the fish number 1 or thinking like the fish number 2. I chose to think like the fish number 1, and I have now started doing a lot of WhatsApp courses, webinars, and also this YouTube channel had been started only after this lockdown period. Now, here is what you can also do for yourself. Stop worrying, take action, and explore the ocean of opportunities that is available for you during this lockdown period. Here is my question for you. How do you plan to make this lockdown period more productive for you? Please post your answers in the comment section below. That will also help other people get idea and move forward in an inspiring way in their lives. And if you like this video, please like it. And if you found it useful, also share this video to all the people who will really get benefited from this. And do not forget to subscribe for this channel so that you will be getting more and more.
Okay, thank you. So how many of you liked it? How many of you loved the video? Yes, type it out in the chat. And there was one question. Instead of putting lockdown period, I want to ask this question to you. How do you think you can make this 2021 more productive for you? Okay, just put that one sentence in the chat to help you, how do you think you can make this 2021 more productive? What is that gap you want to fill to ensure that 2021 is amazing for you? Yes. What is making you worry, and we will be able to help you out, get out of that worries. Okay, Senthil Kumaran sir says that I don't want to postpone and want to take action and learn communication. Amazing. That's a long list you have for 2021. All the best. We are there to help you out on all the terms. Okay, so whatever it might be, just think about the solution. Solution mode is going to help you. That is the most important thing. All right.